In the quest for mental clarity and emotional balance, we often overlook the simplest yet most powerful elements that nature offers us. Let's embark on a journey to explore the four foundational pillars of mental wellness: exercise, sunlight, a proper diet with a focus on fruits, and the rejuvenating power of a good night's sleep. Each of these elements, in harmony, can significantly enhance our mental health, providing a natural remedy to the stresses of modern life. First, exercise, more than just a physical endeavor, is a potent mental health booster. It's not merely about building muscles or endurance. It's about releasing endorphins, our body's natural mood elevators. Engaging in regular physical activity can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, sharpen our focus, and improve self-esteem. Next, let's bask in the glow of sunlight, nature's own mood enhancer. Sunlight is not only a source of vitamin D, but also plays a crucial role in regulating our internal clock, which influences our sleep patterns and mood. Moderate exposure to natural sunlight can uplift our spirits and help fend off seasonal affective disorder (SAD). Diving into the realm of nutrition, a proper diet, especially one rich in fruits, is fundamental. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the brain and combat oxidative stress, which can lead to mental fatigue and cognitive decline. Incorporating a rainbow of fruits into our diet can boost our mental health and provide the energy we need to tackle the day. Lastly, the cornerstone of mental wellness, a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is as crucial to our mental health as it is to our physical health. It's the time when our brain processes the day's experiences, rejuvenates, and repairs itself. Ensuring a restful night's sleep can improve concentration, regulate mood, and enhance our overall mental resilience. By embracing these four pillars of mental wellness, we can create a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle that not only nurtures our body but also our mind and spirit. Let's commit to this holistic approach and witness the transformative power of simple, natural practices in achieving optimal mental health.